Melissa made it look easy, but Gino made it look obscene.
How about...
Because of the large, flat coastal area, clams are big business in Galicia, and the top varieties are sold for over 60 euros a kilo.
Buona?
So size really does matter.
Size it?
Sì, sì,
It's
sì,
enough?
sì, sì.
And the blue one?
Buona?
Too small? Too small.
What about this?
Yeah,
This
that
is
work.
good.
Yeah, it
I'll
is.
give it to you.
Thank you.
Well done.
Too small?
Shit.
I keep coming up short, but at least I'm putting in some effort, unlike Fred, who looks like he's unblocking a drain with a broom handle.
Just as a thank you, I'm watching you work so hard. Can we repay the favor and maybe cook some amazing clams for you and the ladies?
Sería maravilloso.
So you ladies carry on with pick up the clams. We wait in the kitchen and we cook it.
Come on, Gino.
Okay, fantastic. And let's not be shellfish.
Come on. Clambering around for those cockles for a couple of hours and my back is absolutely screwed. That was hard and they make it look so easy.
My legs are completely done.
Going out with all these women this morning was fantastic because it wasn't just about going fishing. It was about experiencing a way of life, experiencing the culture of the people who live here. What can be better than this?
It's back to the RV to prepare lunch for the ladies before the tide comes in. And, as the saying goes, time and tide waits for no man, even Gino de Campo.
Let's go. The ladies are on the way back.
Cooking for 200 is a big deal, especially with such a sought-after ingredient like these clams.
I got the clams.
Let's go.
Nice and clean.
Are they rinsed?
Yes.
And, like a Mariscadora at high tide, these two are well out of their depth.
On the floor.
Yes. Gently, 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 gently.
She's breaking. The polyester is breaking.
No.
I'll put them here.
Put them down. Honestly. Hey, seriously?
No. Nothing happened. We can wash it again. No panic. Can you give him a glass of wine to relax him?
I'm not drinking.
Thinking, when I cook, everybody smile, everybody happy. When you cook, mayhem. Mayhem is a shamble.
Easy to say when you have the Cockle brothers on your team.
What are you doing with the clams, Gordon?
I'm gonna caramelize these onions.
Yeah.
Garlic, bay leaf, lemon, white wine, and then from there, almost let the onions come down to a puree, and then toss in the clams. Can my clams now, please?
The clams are over there. Okay.
That's what I was telling you.
Should we bring them to you?
Your
Bring-
Highness, Your Highness.
Bring the clams. So from here, we need to come to there, right? Yeah, bring these clams, otherwise it's going to go mental here. Forza.
No, we're not going to tip them in there like that. Put them down, please. Put them down. Let's go.
Are you serious? Are you serious?
Too many. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Shall we call the ladies to bring the clams here?
Let's go. Come on, quick. Quick. Fred, come on. It's the most important moment. Let's go. Let's go. In. Fred, open wine, please. Please, quickly. I need a wine, please. Please.
I've already got wine open, Gordon. That's already opened 20 bottles.
I'd like to give them clams like never before. Gino. Gino.
Yeah?
You've been absolutely useless. What? Hey, what are you doing with that?
Huh?
What the fuck are you doing with my clams?
Okay.
What? Oh, my God. Hey.
1 second.
Come here. You have to be kidding me.
Wait.
He's cooked fucking spaghetti.
Come on,
The
the girls
women,
are...
they work very hard, they need carbs
I
as well.
cannot believe you.
Guarda là, un bello spaghetto a vongole. Look at that. Beautiful.
That is fucking... Hey, look at me. Look at me. Hey.
Can you hear the ladies? They're coming.
Fucking hell.
What's the problem? It's only a bit of pasta.
I'm doing all the work. You're standing there watching me and you run out of the bowl of pasta for the glory.
Look, can you hear them?
Fucking hell. I can't believe you've done it.
Hola!
Oh, my God.
Jesus, how many, look.
Fucking hell.
Spaghetti vongole, ole!
I'm gonna kill you.
I thought you would like the surprise.
Thought I'd like it. Fucking hell.
He got quite agitated cooking just a few clams with a bit of onions there. But I thought that the ladies, they work so hard. They need carbs. They want something warm. They want just more.